Welcome back to Carolina AM. What a celebratory day this is at Carolina Rehab and Physical Medicine, now up in Little River with a very familiar face to our show, Dr. Craig Strickland, but someone that's been very familiar to me for over 20 years, and she's very familiar to the folks up on the north end, Robin Labod. And this, I guess I can say this was your practice, Robin, because now you are retiring and turning things off into very capable hands, are you not?
Yes, I am. Yes,
So-
I am.
But this kind of came about in a kind of a peculiar way.
Yes, yes. Little River is booming so much, as you know, all the building going on, and we get so many calls for new patients that it is more than I could handle. So I've been thinking about getting help, but then I had an injury, and a mutual friend introduced us. And we had talked, and then I had an injury, and Craig stepped in and helped me, one, working with my patients because I was unable to, and then also helping me in my recovery. So we've developed a great relationship, and he is amazing, and I feel so comfortable leaving my patients in his hands because he's so experienced. He's been in Myrtle Beach for 15 years, and he's an excellent chiropractor, and that's really important to me to know that I'm leaving my patients in good hands, and he's excellent, and he does even more than I do with extremities and sports injuries and work like that.
I've been familiar with Craig's work for a long
Yes.
time, being a patient of his, but Craig, that's a huge seal of approval. And I will say that a lot of responsibility, you know, when you've got a doctor that is now relying on another doctor for services that they perform, that's a huge bank of trust they're putting in you, that Robin has put in you.
For sure, and you know, again, through a mutual friend, just got the phone call, and we're just able to step in and help out any way we can, you know. But we've really developed a great relationship. It's just a really easy transition. We're very excited to be coming in and taking over. I do expect to see her fairly regularly, but she's got some awesome things ahead of her and things that she's waited a long time to do. So really happy to help in that regard too and play a role in that. So really excited. It's a great spot.
Well, the great thing too is if you're already a patient of Dr. Strickland's, now you're gonna have a very convenient location. If you live up on the north end, right here across from the Parsons table, it doesn't get any more convenient than that in Little River. And I know that you've been in business for a long time, but now catering not only to your clients up on this end, but special care for the ones that Robin is entrusting you with as well.
Absolutely, yeah. So we're really just, I think we practice similarly. You know, as she mentioned, I do more with extremities probably, and we certainly do some of the rehab protocols with exercises and things like that. But you know, I think that we practice very similarly in the way we take care of patients, and it's been a fairly easy transition.
I've learned over the last 10 years how important it is to look after spinal health. I am, I think, one of Craig's poster children, if you will, because you've helped me such a great deal, and appreciate that. Robin, our family's known you for over 2 decades,
Yes.
and know your reputation here. And I tell you what, you're handing this off into good hands with Craig, and I know that you feel that way.
Yes.
Craig, for anybody out there that's also looking, maybe they're seeing this for the first time, they want a consult. How do they go about setting that up?
They can give us a call, and I know you'll put all that on the screen for us, or you can grab us on the website, and you can schedule that way as well.
Robin, we wish you the best of luck in this new chapter.
Thank you, thank you. I'm really excited.
Craig, the best of luck in this new chapter. Celebratory all the way around. Hey, the best way to do is call the number that's on the screen, check out the website. Now come and visit Dr. Craig Strickland, his staff up here on the north end in Little River at Carolina Rehab and Physical Medicine. We'll be right back with more of Carolina AM.